Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Affinity Photo, how to blend text. So we have this example image texture and I will create text by using this text tool. I will create in here and set into A, B, and then I will move into this point. Now if you want to blend in this text with the texture or the background, you can click these icons, blend option, and then you can change for underlying composition range. I will move from this point to the bottom here. So TB blend into the background. The next you can click again after this point. You can move into here, create more blend objects, and then we can create from this point into here. So you can settings by using this point. If you done, you can close this blend option. Okay, that's it for a basic Affinity Photo, how to blend text. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.